YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video. And guys, it's been a minute since I said that for an intro. I'm just doing a reflection video, and there'll be probably 2 or 3 of these over the last couple of years with me being in the printing industry. Check this out. This was some HTV work using some of that Econo right there and doing a great layering job. But this video is going to be a random mix-up of different moments in my printing history. Like, comment, subscribe, and go visit me at crispyprints.shop. YouTube, it's your boy.
YouTube,
it's your boy Mike. YouTube, it's your boy Mike T's back at you with another video.
So with Silky Socks, we started with one style of sock and it was moving. The customers wanted it and it was time to get more styles of socks. They were asking for ankle socks, knee-high socks, colored socks, and they wanted it in volume, right? So at some point I told myself there are no limitations. Like, there's no shortage of cotton in the fields out there. There's no shortage of polyester out there. If my warehouse is too small, that's just a limitation I put on myself. If I need more employees, I can hire more people. If I need to post more on social media, I can post a few more times on social media. Every limitation is just in my head, right? So I said I have no more limitations. I can grow exponentially, and as long as the customers are coming to me, I can serve them in abundant quantities and abundant.
Welcome back, it's your boy Noah back with another video.
And today, what are we doing, Noah?
We are going to be making a shirt.
All right. Is it any type of shirt or design in particular?
I wouldn't say particular, but sure.
Sure. All right. Go ahead and show them what it's going to be about.
So first, it's going to be about this main character from Simpsons. He just have a little bit of upgrades, okay?
Once again, shout out to the guy that's actually getting this. I call him Cleveland because he has everything Cleveland in his house. Like, when I say all-time high memorabilia, Cleveland at the height of their careers, definitely Cleveland has it. And like I said, I'm going to see if I can get him on camera when I take this to him. All right, y'all? Hopefully, we'll go see him there. See you soon. So I made it to the laundromat, and I dropped off the shirt to Cleveland. I'm about to introduce you guys to him. That hard Browns fan. How long you been following the Browns for?
Since 1980.
Since 1980. So my journey into the printing industry started in 2019. I was working a regular job, like many people out here today, just trying to put food on the table for the kids. My full talents wasn't being utilized, and I can say when raise time came around, I just wasn't feeling it. Now, the story is very condensed. If you would like to know the full story, browse all of my videos. I break it down throughout the years about how I worked for the electric industry, and then I hopped out of it to pursue my own dreams. Fast forward to today, your boy is well involved in DTF printing and UV printing alongside with HTV, embroidery, and other various methods. So when it comes to the print industry, you'll notice, as far as I'm concerned, I try to put my hands on everything. What I mean by everything is if there's any opportunity, your boy is definitely going to take it. Just like in this next clip. Let's go to it. What up, YouTube? This is day 2 of the install. I'm headed out to Massillon right now. I'm running a little bit late. Actually, I live in the heart of Ken. I'm trying to get up to Massillon the back ways, and it just snowed this morning, y'all. The snow didn't hit the ground. Yesterday, I showed y'all a little bit of snow, but you could tell some snow has dropped, and it's a little bit cold for the most part. But yesterday I showed you guys us wrapping the...
Easy peasy, Mike. Oh, shit.
No, you're good. Yeah. Well, I got to because I'll watch this and, study it like a little cheat.
My name would be like you, Mike.
Are you done? Is Alfia here?
from there, you're building confidence. And once you have confidence in one thing, you can conquer anything. And that's what I love to see in people. I see it in adults, but I really, really love to see this in kids when they have confidence going into something, and you can see their voice changes when they're talking about it. They're salespeople without even knowing that they're salespeople, just because of how much confidence they have in what they want to do.
We go to China, we go on the plane, and we go to where they make the heat press, Bob Hopkins, and we ask the actual, not Bob Hopkins, but the manufacturer who makes Bob Hopkins, right? And we say, yo,
stop it from sticking. And then how we're gonna line this up is we're gonna use that hydraulic pump in the back of the press and this cord right here. This is actually a super color wearable transfer. So when I'm saying 4 fingers from the collar, I'm talking literally like this. And it's gonna be a little bit. So like I was saying before, if your setup is not set up right or correctly, you will have those cutoffs like I just showed in the video. So at the top hand, on the right hand side where it says open the page setup panel, that's where you get this right here, this whole box. Where it says machine, make sure it says none. Where it says cutting mat, make sure it says auto or none. Where it says media size, make sure it says custom. Design is super dope. That flock fill is definitely there. And as far as this white border go, I got some fabric markers I can use, which is probably what I'll do. And I'll probably put green.
Long Beach.
Wow. So how long you guys been in business?
We've probably been in business for a little over 15 years. Wow. This is our 3rd location.
Okay.
This is our first retail front where people can come in and actually feel our garments, be able to print samples on the spot, and work with our creative team because we have an in-house creative agency as well.
Wow. So when that creative process comes around, are you just doing customer-based orders, or are you guys making up your own stuff for your brands, or?
Oh yeah, so I mean we have some of our own brands. So kind of like, I'll give you a backstory which kind of helps out is, so we own this company called Daydream Cinema. It's an award-winning creative agency. Like our clients have, we've worked with like Rolling Stone, Jordan, Nike, ESPN, nice. Like you name it, like Fortune 500 companies. So we do like video, photo, animation, motion graphics, like everything, anything creative. So and this kind of goes into why we got into this, right? Because we had so many clients that wanted to, hey, could you guys know anybody that makes shirts? And we would just get them made as a courtesy to our clients that are spending money with us, right?
Right.
And then we're like, this is really cool. Like I do my photography. I have a gallery down here.
Okay.
So I wanted to print my shirts so when people can't always buy all the prints, but they can buy some merch. So on a selfish side, I was like, we need to just get a printer.
Yeah.
And we actually started printing stuff in the garage. Yep. Because we were outsourcing, and then we were like, we want to do this, so that way we could start printing for all of our clients and for our personal use. So started printing in the garage, then went to the 2nd location and started growing it, and that's kind of really how we got into it.
So let's go back to the garage. So let's talk about crispy prints and how to utilize them. How we can make a DTF stand out like none other, utilizing HTV, DTF, and UVs. Head on over to crispyprints.shop right now and shop today. Take advantage of all the discounts and the super sales that we got going on right now. That's great. All right, and I will stay in contact with you and let you know play by play what's going on with everything.
All right, just let me know, man.
Yes, sir. I appreciate you, Greg, man. Thank you, man.
No problem.
All right.
You'll get it, I'm sure.
Yep.
All right, I'll holler. All right.